reset AirPods and AirPods Pro? If you're experiencing connectivity issues with your AirPods, a simple reset can often resolve the problem and restore proper functionality. Here's a guide on how to reset AirPods or AirPods Pro depending on the model you have. Step 1. Place AirPods back in the charging case. Gather your AirPods and place them snugly back into their charging case. Close the lid securely and wait for at least 30 seconds. This step prepares your AirPods for the reset process. Step 2. Unpair AirPods from your device. Open the settings on your Apple device, your iPhone or iPad that's paired with your AirPods. Now go to Settings. Now go to Bluetooth. Here, find your AirPods in the list of connected devices and tap the blue eye icon next to them. Now tap Forget this device and confirm to unpair your AirPods from the device. Number 3. Reconnect your AirPods. Open the lid of your AirPods charging case. Now locate the small setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold the setup button until the status light on the front of the case flashes amber, then white, about 15 seconds. Now keep the lid open and hold the charging case near your device. A prompt should appear on your device screen asking you to connect your AirPods. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reconnection process.